Hey guys, Sam here with WTI. So I'm here to tell you about this super cool book. The That's Not My is a series of books, and this one is That's Not My Cow. So the whole point of these books is you go through different features about the animal that you're like, no, my cow, for example, doesn't have a bumpy nose. And then it helps the little one feel the nose. Or that's not my cow, his ears are too soft. So if you can see, it has some texture there. So I love these books. I think it's great because it helps not only for my little one to learn different body parts, but it helps them with texture and motor control, trying to point to things, fine motor skills. So it's awesome. As a parent, it helps educate them, helps them stay away from the TV for a little bit. And it's also so cute. Look at this cow. It's so cute. So if you have a little one and you're looking into these books, I'm going to say check them out. I recommend them, and that is my point of view.